Guess who's got her glasses back? It's me! Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. And today I am bringing you, as you can tell from the title, my staple products because you have asked me. And of course, I'm here to oblige. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Hopefully you guys might come across some products that you will find helpful, but the whole idea is just to give you some more insight into my regimen, seeing as I get a lot of questions around that. But yeah, we're gonna dive in. So I'm basically gonna go through like shampoo, conditioners, leave-ins, moisturizers and stylers. As you guys know, I am a multi-purpose, multi-functioning type of person. I like my products to be able to do a whole bunch of stuff. And to give you some clarity, the difference between my staple products and products I like is the fact that a product can hit the spot for me really hard. I can stand for a product really hard and the product can finish and I will literally not buy it again. Not because I don't like it, but because I like it and I also like a whole bunch of other products and I always have options. Do you know what I mean? But the staple products are the ones that I actually tend to like pick up. You will see me use loads of different things, but these are like the core of my regimen. This is like the heart of the regimen. So yeah, let's dive right in. Like I said, there's a few products that I don't have and I would just include a picture right there. This is one of my staple shampoos. There are two lines from Shea Moisture that are like my stan go-to, love and it's the Jamaican black castor oil and then the Manuka honey and Mafura line. Manuka honey and Mafura oil line. I'll include a picture right there for you. And then the final conditioner that I absolutely love, which I've run out of loads of things because of COVID and I'm still not out there like that yet. I haven't joined the rest of the world out there. My mom is still high risk, so I'm still super cautious. But it is the shampoo from the Pantene Gold series. This is not the shampoo, but it basically comes in a thing like this as well, I think. No, it comes with a pump. So it's the shampoo from that line. It's actually my favorite ever shampoo to have ever used. Ever. Like, ever. Okay? Ever. And for those of you who don't know, I wash my hair weekly. So I would say between like 5 to 7 days. Every 5 to 7 days I wash my hair. And I have two types of wash days. I have my regular wash day, which I use clay washes, and I will link the video right there to my clay wash day, so you can see what that looks like. And then I have my alternative wash day, which is the wash day that I just grab a regular shampoo. And I usually do those when I'm either like super tired, don't have time to mix clays and mix things. Yeah, just it's basically option B, right? It's my fallback. My fallback is using regular shampoos, but my preference and my go-to on a weekly basis is clay washing, which is my thing, okay? And so let's move on to conditioners. Now, my favorite and all-time staple conditioner that I have been using since before I went natural and I still use up till now is the Vitale like olive oil deep conditioner. I'll include a picture here because I've also run out. I refuse to go to my local beauty supply store and I also refuse to pay the price that Amazon is out here steadily pushing. Okay, I'm not doing it. So I've run out of that, but you can see it right here. It is my favorite for doing DIYs. It makes such a great base for all my Ayurvedic recipes, for everything. It's such a wonderful base. I love it. I stand hard, like all the way hard. So the final deep conditioner that, well, the final deep conditioner, final 2 deep conditioners, none of which I have. So you're thinking, hey girl, like, why did you even bother making this video when you don't have half the stuff? Well, the reason is I don't know when I'm gonna have the rest of the stuff, and secondly, you guys have been asking me, so I figured, you know, I'll go ahead and do it anyway. But it's the Curls Blueberry Deep Conditioner. I love that deep conditioner with like a deep passionate loving, like, guys, I can't even, it makes my hair literally feel like putty in my hand. Like, it's amazing. My hair is so malleable after I use it. It's shiny, it feels strong at the same time. It's just mwah, like chef's kiss. Mwah, 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 mwah. It's so good. I really love it. I would definitely say try. If you haven't tried it, try it. I love it. And the second deep conditioner, the second conditioner that I absolutely stand for, once again, is the Pantene Gold Series deep conditioner or conditioner. I think what I need to do is probably do, because I don't think I've done a video on it on this channel. I don't think I have, but I love this range with a deep passion. So that's that one. And then I'm going to move on to my leave-ins and my stylers. Leave-ins and stylers for me are definitely multi-purpose and interchangeable. A lot of the products that I use as leave-ins, I also use to moisturize my hair. I also use them to style my hair sometimes. So the first one is my Shea Decadences Mango Comfort leave-ins. In fact, all the Shea Decadence like leave-in and moisture milks are an absolute staple of mine. I've been using them since forever. It's a black owned business. I love the owner. I have been supporting her since day one, and I love her products. So yeah, this has been a staple forever. I literally always have some. I currently even have like one unopened jar waiting because I don't like to run out. But yeah, absolutely love this. I will link it below. And then my next one, of course, you see me using it a lot. So the original Cantu leave-in, the one in like the bigger jar, used to be my staple leave-in for a very long time. But I've actually found that I prefer this version of it more now. I don't know why. It just does something to my hair that I cannot describe, and I absolutely love it. This is a brand new jar that I bought just before we went into lockdown, as a backup for another one which is now finished. But I just absolutely love this, so hence why it's a staple. And then in terms of moisturizers, I have 3 that I absolutely love. And I also have honorable mentions. So I think I'm going to do the honorable mentions first. So I explained to you guys the difference between my staples and products that I love. So this range, I would say, is currently sitting, like, the only reason that I'm not including it in the different stages of my staples, as in shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, blah blah blah, is because I haven't had the opportunity to rebuy it yet. So that's the only reason why it's not sitting with everything else. However, I love it so much that it's going to be a staple. I will repurchase each and every one of these items from the Camille Rose Lavender line. I cannot stress. I don't have the words. And I think if you've watched my last few videos of this year, then you know I've literally been pulling these out left, right and center. So from the cleanser, Okay, right in there. The deep conditioner, oh my god, this is fabulous. And the whipped leave-in, I love this. I use this as a moisturizer, I use it as a styler. The shaken hair spritzer, it's literally almost done now. I use this as a moisturizer, I use this as a leave-in, I use it as a refresher. I use it for my soul and my spirit to come alive. They make my hair so moisturized, as in moisture, like so good, and it leaves my hair really shiny. I just love it. So I felt like it deserved a mention. And honestly, if you are thinking of trying any Camille Rose products, this is the range that I would recommend 110% for you to try it out. So good. This is not sponsored. None of this stuff is sponsored whatsoever. This is literally just my staples that I'm sharing. So yeah, going on to the leave-ins or the moisturizers. Moisturizer slash styler, you see me use this all the time. I've been using it for years, and it's my Cantu coconut styling cream. It's an absolute staple. I always have some. And luckily I had some before lockdown happened, so I still have some. And then of course it's my botanical whipped shea butter from my brand Wild Seed. I can't stress enough how amazing this is at locking in moisture for like when you're moisturizing your hair, for when you're styling your hair. 110%. You guys see me use it all the time. You've seen the results. If you're interested in trying it, definitely do support us, you know, a small black owned business. Support me with your money. That'll be great. But yeah, just go and check out the reviews. The reviews speak for themselves. I don't feel like I need to say much at this point. We've almost got about 200 reviews now. Check it out. Finally, I am going to move on to, oh actually, there's another moisturizer that I didn't mention. And we're back to the Pantene Gold Series line. This is actually the Butter-Creme hydrating cream. And I use this to moisturize as well as to style. It's just chef's kiss. Okay, once again, we're just out here collecting all the chef's kisses. Finally, we're going to move on to gel. So I don't know if you guys remember, but I think it was either like a couple of years ago when everybody and their mother was swearing off Eco Styler. Everyone was literally like, burn it in the deepest pit of hell. And you did not see me say one word. You did not hear pit from my mouth. Not pink, not pat, not nothing, okay? You heard absolutely nothing from me because I knew that I have not found an alternative that does what Eco Styler does for my hair. So, you know, you guys are always like, oh, how do you get your hair so sleek? Oh, how's your bun so flat? Literally, I get it laid with Eco Styler. And this is my go-to favorite Eco Styler that I have been using since the dawn of man. And it is the olive oil one. If I'm completely honest, I've only ever used two. I've used the crystal and I've used this one. And because this one works for me, I haven't really been interested in trying anything else. The crystal also works for me, but I prefer this one. And I predominantly use it for sleek hairstyles. Like if I'm trying to get my hair sleek, this is what I use. And it does the job. It's literally the only one that does the job, okay? It does the job, so I love it. And yeah, because I didn't want to, you know, be that girl that's here backpedaling. You know, one minute I hate it, the next minute I'm here using it. So I kept my mouth shut, boy. I didn't say nothing to you guys. And most of the people that jumped off the Eco Styler train, they're now standing at the station waiting for the train to pass so they can get back on, you know, quietly. That was not me. It wasn't me, oh. Anywho, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. I will catch you guys in my next one. I am looking at myself because I'm so happy to have my glasses back. Yeah. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video. Deuces. Bye.